same as an involuntary possession. It doesn't matter if you gave it back or not. That is an outstanding debt. So in order to get this house, this is the first thing you're going to have to do is pay that off. I was like, well, I ain't got the car no more. Sir, we understand that, but that was a loan from a bank. And in order to purchase a home through one financial institution, you have to clear your debts with any other financial institution. So you telling me I ain't got this car no more, and you still want me to give these folks $12,000 so I can move in this house? Yes, sir, Mr. Robinson. I said, okay, we gonna do that. Let's move on. He says, I see here in 2000, you have an outstanding Sprint. Wow, I'm like, man, I know good well, you is not gonna try to, you mean to tell me you ain't gonna take this money because I owe these folks $500? He said, sir, that is not the case. We just want to make sure that you clear all debt.